15 surprising technology facts you've never heard of. Have you ever looked at a piece of technology and thought, that can't be real? Well, buckle up, because in today's video, we re-diving into 10 technology facts that sound like science fiction, but are actually happening right now. From lensless cameras to robots that can feel touch, the future is already here. And it's way weirder than you think. Let's start with a camera. That doesn't use a lens. Yes, it's real. Instead of capturing images through glass like traditional cameras, this device uses artificial intelligence to reconstruct images based on how light hits a tiny pinhole. It analyzes shadows and angles to create a full image digitally. While still in the experimental stage, this tech could make it possible to embed ultra-thin cameras in everyday objects, from eyeglasses to walls. Imagine security systems, mobile devices, or smart glasses that see without a single lens. It's like giving digital eyes to anything you can imagine. Next, there's a 3D printer that creates objects using light. Instead of printing layer by layer, this volumetric printer solidifies an entire object at once using projected light patterns. Think of it like a 3D CT scan in reverse. Objects form inside a container of liquid resin in mere seconds. No friction, no contact, no wear and tear. This opens up amazing possibilities in medicine, like printing custom prosthetics instantly, or aerospace, where complex parts can be created with zero waste. It's not printing, it's practically teleportation. Now here's a weird one. Computers that run on water. These fluidic computers use liquid flow instead of electricity to perform calculations. They're not as fast as digital machines, but they're perfect for places where electronics can go, like explosive environments or deep inside the human body. Researchers are exploring ways to combine this with biotechnology, creating living circuits for drug delivery, diagnostics, or microscopic sensors. It's an old idea being revived with high-tech applications in the most unexpected fields. Speaking of the future, meet neuromorphic chips, processors that mimic how the human brain works. Unlike traditional chips that follow strict instructions, these learn from patterns and adjust over time. They're built to be energy efficient and perfect for things like voice recognition, vision systems, and smart robotics. Companies like Intel and IBM are investing heavily in this hardware, and it might be the key to building machines that truly think, not just compute. Now imagine controlling your computer with your mind. Brain-computer interfaces are already turning thought into action. With sensors that detect electrical signals from your brain, users can move cursors, type words, or even control drones just by thinking. While still early, this tech is already helping people with paralysis communicate and interact with the world again. And soon we can see it applied in gaming, smart homes, or even prosthetic limbs that respond to your thoughts in real time. Here's something even stranger. Computers that don't follow binary logic. Quantum computing uses qubits instead of bits, allowing them to process a massive amount of data at once. Google and IBM have already built machines that solve problems regular computers couldn't handle in millions of years. These machines are kept at near absolute zero and operate in complete isolation. While we're still far from everyday use, quantum computing is already reshaping cybersecurity, drug discovery, and material science. The future is quantum, and it's coming fast. Now let's talk about smart clothing. Yes, clothing! Engineers are developing fabrics with built-in sensors that can track heart rate, body temperature, posture, and more, all while looking like normal shirts. Some can even change color or adjust warmth depending on the weather. Athletes use them for training, and doctors use them to monitor patients without bulky equipment. Imagine a t-shirt that alerts you when your posture is bad, or a jacket that heats up when you recode. That's not sci-fi, that's smart fashion. And get this, Wi-Fi without electricity is real. Using a technology called backscatter, tiny devices can bounce existing radio waves to send data without using batteries. This is perfect for sensors that need to work for years without recharging, like in homes, farms, or medical implants. Imagine pushing a button that never needs charging, or a sensor that monitors your plants and sends updates without ever needing a power source. It's a leap toward ultra-sustainable, low-maintenance devices. Ever heard of a robot that can feel pain? Researchers have developed artificial skin with sensors that detect pressure, temperature, and yes, even discomfort. These are used in robots to make them more precise and sensitive, but also in prosthetics to give amputees a sense of touch. The ultimate goal isn't just to make robots more human, but to restore sensation to people who've lost it. It's technology with empathy, the kind that makes machines not just useful, but meaningful. And finally, did you know that artificial intelligence has already produced artwork sold for over $400,000? That's right. Algorithms trained on classic paintings have created original artworks, including Portrait of Edmund de Bellamy, auctioned by Christie S in 2018. The AI didn't just copy. It blended styles and generated a whole new aesthetic. It sparked huge debates about creativity, copyright, and whether machines can be artists. One thing's for sure, the line between human and machine-made is getting blurrier every day. So if you thought tech was just about phones and apps, think again. We're entering a world where clothes think, robots feel, and computers print things from light. If that blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us which fact amazed you the most. Welcome to the future. It's weirder than fiction.